Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today we just traded in a 2017 Jeep Sahara Wrangler 4-door, which is the Unlimited. And I wanted to jump in a little bit ahead of schedule and do this review on this Wrangler for you. So it's going to be a little bit undercover. So this is exactly how it traded in, and we'll take a peek at it. So whenever I get the opportunity, I always like to show vehicles as they're getting traded in, just so you can kind of know how the past customer took care of it, or didn't in some cases. So this Wrangler seems to be in excellent shape, cleanliness-wise, very, very clean. Does have the leather seats, Sahara badging on it. Now the Sahara is not the top trim level for Wranglers. The Rubicon is, but the Sahara I think is the most luxurious, where you get more luxury in the Jeep. So you get power locks here. It does have remote controlled mirrors, and they're heated. So go over some options here. It's got 87,241 miles on it. It does say the left rear turn signal's out. So again, this is fresh. The service department hasn't got a hold of this, so they'll fix that left rear turn signal, go over the whole vehicle before it is sold. But I just want to kind of show you how it is. It does have hands-free connectivity there so you can talk to the car's audio system on your cell phone. Cruise control here. I always like to look at these too. So they've been up on their oil changes. They said the next oil change is due at 90,197 miles on it. So someone took care of it. Oh yeah, let me show you this. Sorry, I'm bouncing everywhere. One owner vehicle. So one owner, never been in a wreck or anything like that. Overall, super clean Carfax. Literally scores off the chart, as you can see. Scores a 96. So. Okay, so it does have the 6.5-inch touchscreen radio. This is AM, FM, Sirius radio with navigation as well. So this was the nicest setup back in 2017. Power windows here, heating, air conditioning controls down here. There's your remote control for your mirrors. Has heated seats up front here. It's got an electrical outlet that you can turn on right there. Downhill assist, traction control. 12-volt power socket. It's manual to put in the four-wheel drive, which is how they still are brand new, which I appreciate. Center shifter, 5-speed automatic. Just drove it down the road. Brakes felt good. Shifted through all the gears just fine. And so I don't know why I'm so excited. Got some, looks like some accessories there, your lug nuts, that kind of stuff that they left with it. And really clean. So this does have the insulated hardtop. You can see these black panels, and this is the 3-piece hardtop. So these two panels above the driver and passenger seat are removable. And then there's a bag you can put them in the back, and but insulated, so it helps with the sound and also helps them keep from getting scratched. This also has the sound bar built into the roll bar here, which is super sweet. With the top on and with it off. So all right, let's check out the outside and see what she looks like here. So exterior on this 2017 Wrangler Sahara. So on the Sahara package, you get painted everything, right? So you're going to have the painted center here where the fog lamps are, fully painted front end. Has the painted fenders, both front and rear fenders are painted. You're going to get the big wheels on it. These are alloy wheels, 18 inches, and they're wrapped in Bridgestone rubber. Decent amount of tread left on the tires here. Windshield looks really good. You get a painted hardtop in this, so that the hardtop is painted to match with automotive paint, to match the black pearl coat finish here on the exterior. I got the running boards on here. Coming back, I'll show you the inside of the back here. Looks really nice and clean. Got the rubber mats back here just like it does in the front, which I failed to show you, but it has the rubber mats in the front. They're Jeep mats, so they're formed to fit this Jeep Wrangler. Overall driver's side looks really good, really clean. Paint looks good. Full-size spare tire mounted to the rear door here. It's the same 18-inch alloy wheel. Check this out. So I opened this up earlier and I was like, oh wow, it's got the soft top with it too, is what's in this bag and in these boxes. And from what I can tell, it's never even been used. Here's the little bag here that those two T-tops go in. All that's like unwrapping a brand new 2017 Jeep. So they probably took it out and put it in their garage and just never used it, which is really nice. They added that back in. That painted hardtop really looks slick. There's a couple scratches on this rear fender here. Might even be able to be buffed out when we get it into the service department there for the cleanup. Overall, really clean vehicle. Comes with a 3-month, 3,000 mile dealership warranty here. Covers the powertrain, which is the expensive stuff, you know, your engine, transmission, driveline. If you're looking for a nice, clean, one-owner Jeep, 4-door, luxury, this has got all the paint on it, all the bells and whistles, super nice, great price on this. Compare this to what the new Jeeps cost, and you'll be flabbergasted at how good of a deal this is. 3.6 liter V6 engine, still use the engine today. It's actually Chrysler's Pentastar engine. So financing is available on this. You can lock in a super low rate and payment right from home. You can just do that by clicking on the finance link that I'll put below or up in the description. And trades are definitely welcome. You have to trade in. The person traded this in on a brand new Rocky Ridge Jeep, which if you haven't seen our Rocky Ridge Jeeps, they're really sweet. Check those out if you're a Jeep person. So yeah, Jeep lover traded in for another Jeep. And with that, I think I've said what I need to say. Let the car speak for itself here. Thanks for watching, everyone.